This is how it is looking.
So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. So today's vlog is going to be about this PUMA RS-2K internet exploring shoes, and this is PUMA BMW special edition shoes which my friend has bought, and this is mine. So I'm going to unbox both the shoes. You guys watch the vlog till the end and stay tuned. So we bought the shoes yesterday. तो आप लोग वो क्लिप देख के फिर वापस यहाँ पे आओ.
Guys, we are here at the PUMA showroom. So yes guys, this is what I've decided. RS something. This is how it is looking. My friend is buying this one, BMW. Which edition? Sports edition. I already bought this neon wala.
Size? So we'll start with the RS-2K internet exploring shoes. So this is how the box looks. So keeping these shoes aside, now we are going to talk about this and going to unbox these shoes. This is the PUMA BMW special edition. This is white Marina. It is UK 9. As you guys can see, this is my friend's shoes. This is also worth 10k. Both are same, only difference between the model and the color. So this is PUMA Aruba Blue color.